Hey guys, I just wanted to give you an update with Freckle. Again, I'm learning as you guys are learning as well. So I just wanted to review a few things just so you kind of know what's expected of your child each and every day. So I am at my demo screen like I'm a student. And here I have, again, the ELA for reading, the math icon, and then I have the from my teacher. Each day, your child is required or asked to do at least 30 minutes of reading, which is your ELA, and 30 minutes of math each day. This is 30 minutes in each one. So an hour each day. It does not have to be done at one setting. They can do a little bit here and a little bit there. But the most important thing for your child to do each and every day when they log on to their Freckle is this one right here. It says from my teacher. Yours may look like a book bag. You always want your child to do this one first. So in here, when you click it, you should have different things assigned. You should actually have these two assigned to your student right now. And these are going to be the most important for your child to work on because these are the standards that we are to teach during the fourth quarter that your child has not gotten yet. So please make sure when your child logs on each day that they do this first, and if they finish these lessons, then they can go back to the math icon and the ELA icon for their learning path. So in these, you will click each one. Again, remember it's 30 minutes for ELA, 30 minutes for math, an hour total. If they finish this and they still have some time to complete their 30 minutes, you can go back out and you can come here and they say they finished their ELA, their reading for the assignment that was given to them in their book bag or from their teacher, then they can come to the ELA and they can choose to do the word study or their library. So just know this is extra after they have done the assignment in their book bag or from your teacher. Again, if they come here and they finish their math for the day and they're done with the book bag section, their assignment, and they still have time to fill for their 30 minutes for the day, then they can come to their math learning path. They can click, and then again, you want to make sure they're choosing different standards. Don't just choose the same standard each day, and have them work on one of those learning paths to fill in the 30 minutes. And please know once your child has taken their pretest, it may put them on a level. I am looking at those daily throughout the day. If I feel like it's not where I saw last in class, it does not meet up with what I was seeing in class, then know that I am modifying those and trying to get them to where I feel like they need to be, and I'm filling those gaps as I see fit. So just know that those may be changing, and that's me working behind the scenes, just trying to make sure everyone is getting what they need. If you have any other questions, let me know. Hopefully this helps you. Again, I'm learning as I go as well, so reach out to me either through Dojo or email at lbarker@bcbe.org if you have any other questions. Thank you so much.